Hello my beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing great. So today I will be sharing with you different tips on how you can care for your tomato plants so you can avoid fungus, diseases, or even if you do have an outbreak, you will know how to care for them very easily using all organic natural stuff. So the first thing I do is I prune my tomato plants. So what is growing on the side of the leaf is called sucker right there. So you don't want to remove your sucker. Well, it depends. If you want to get a lot of tomatoes, you don't want to move your sucker. But if you don't, you can go ahead and get rid of your sucker, especially if you don't have enough space for your tomato to grow. So you can get rid of the sucker. But I usually keep my suckers on because I'm able to get more tomatoes. So that's the first thing you're doing. And by pruning your tomato plants, you are helping your plants to kind of like breathe. You're giving it air so you can have some circulation going on. And usually what I do, I plant like little cucumbers around my tomato plants. I try to use my space. I plant basil and other things around my tomatoes. So this is the hydrogen peroxide. You see here it says 3% hydrogen peroxide. I got this here from Target. Shake it up. I got my spoon here, so I'm going to be using 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a half a gallon container. That's why I'm using 5 tablespoons. If it was the whole gallon, I would use 10 tablespoons. If it was 2 gallons, you do the math, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so then we're going to turn it here. We're going to get some water in here. So I added this portion of the video there so you can see that sometimes we don't have the time to prune our tomato plants. So if you don't have the time to prune your tomato plants, it's okay. What I normally do, I make sure that I'm spraying, especially if there is an infestation, every other day for like 2 weeks. And then after that, as long as I'm able to control the infestation, then for maintenance, I go ahead and spray once or twice a week. So this is how I am able to maintain my tomato plants. I have never had any infestation because I've been doing this. So you want to make sure that you try to use preventative methods. So even if you don't have anything right now, I would suggest that you spray at least once or twice a week just to be on the safe side, because with the weather changing, sometimes you just never know how your plants will act and how, just how things will turn out. But anyway, that's my tip for today. Have a wonderful day and be safe. I'll see you in the next video.